A yeah, a yeah, a. All right, we're live. We're live. We are live. Let me put some music on. I'm just do this. Hold on. I'll do. I really feel like just listening to some shofu today. Alright. So. Where are we at? Where are we at? Let me show everyone where we are at. I'ma just wait. I'll let some people. I'm gonna let just some people come in through. We just started, so there's no need to jump the gun just yet. This is what we have done so far. We got a lot to do today. And, yeah. So how's everyone doing today? How's everyone doing today? We're gonna be doing a lot today. We're gonna make this bigger. We're gonna make it movable. And we're going to just do a lot. So we need to make it so this changes whenever we click on this. So like that needs to be fixed. I don't think I changed much in the code. Hold on. Okay, yeah, so in the code, we didn't change much. But we are going to do this. So when we click on this text tool, we're gonna change it so this tool settings changes to this here. So this is what we're gonna do. We are going to do this. So you do this. We're gonna do input type equals range, and then min equals 1, max equals 100 equals 50. So we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do this for all three of them. So, and then we're gonna do ID. So we're gonna do ID equals text size. ID equals font style. And then ID equals word spacing. And this is just for right now. I'm not exactly sure what's possible. So this we're gonna move over here. This we're gonna have to do this. Yeah. So we're gonna do. We don't need this actually. to Team Aqua, all your days are fucking numbered. There's a hurricane, let it rain. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do dot load, and then we're gonna do. What are we gonna load in? For this one, selection tool. Well, this is just for the example, so I guess we're gonna do text tool .html. So when we click on the text tool, we're gonna do this, but we should empty it first. Like this. So we're gonna do that, so then it loads this when we click on it. And that's what it should do. The upset. Me, I be still to grow cool, let me get your body. Hold on. Alright, so look at this. So when I click this, it's doing the most right now. Why? Standard settings. This. The monstrosity, and animosity. Rainport bursts that to a strange storm. Why is it like that? So, is it because of this? I think we should probably, do this. This, maybe it has to do with this. And then we should probably put this in a div of its own. So we do like div ID equals text tools. So like that. And then for this, we could, in our CSS, we're gonna do this. Hold on. We're gonna rename it the text tools box instead. So we're gonna do this. What? Why is this not doing? That should be fine. Alright. So we're gonna do this. I think we should do position relative. I don't know how it's gonna look though, so we're gonna see. It's definitely better, but we need to change the position of, I think, everything here. So this text tools box, oh, it doesn't even have the, alright, it should be relative, but I think we should do like this. Body do deoxys D. Text tools box. Did that not? text tools box. Do I have to add that CSS file to this? Motherfucking Maya. Oh, that's an ID, that's why. What's up, Triple Tap? How you doing? How you doing? Look at your Zat, bro. Your what? Yeah, I am looking at my chat. Yeah, I have my chat open in front of me. Because my screen is over here and my chat's in front of me. So I can keep track of it. What else am I gonna need? We're gonna need, input thing here. So we're gonna need this. Amogus. I'm gonna go play Minecraft. Hey, that's what's up. I'm gonna probably do Minecraft like when the new update comes out. Cause the new update looks really good. What's up, Cyanide? How you doing? I guess the notifications take a while to be sent out. Cause I've been streaming for 12 minutes already. And it just feels like, I guess the notifications got sent out. Alright, I wanna change... I guess, hold on. We need to change one of these. Why get recommended this video all of a sudden? Hey, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you want to subscribe, feel free to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. We're trying to hit 10,000 subs. But yeah, I'm just programming. My content consists of just random videos, pretty much. I think we should make this absolute. And then this needs to have a height. Like that. And then this here this needs to have a bigger height here. YouTube gods work in mysterious ways. Yeah, they do. YouTube is really strange. I don't understand it sometimes. I don't think anyone will understand it. Grab my dude, you seem cool. Hey, thank you, I appreciate it. I really do, thank you. What does that know about? Controls are here, but I need this to be out of here, actually. This can't be in here. But yeah, I appreciate, thank you. This is kind of epic. Yeah, this is gonna be like a Photoshop type thing inside of a Chrome. It's a Chrome extension that I'm making. Alright, so we do want this, but I think I want it here. So let me update the code. Keep it up. Thank you. Appreciate it. So let me see this. This one is controls. What else did we update? We had to update this. So this is standard settings. And then this one is this. But we need to remove this here from out of it. So I in our code, it's here. Let me try that and see what this looks like. So I don't know what it's gonna look like, so alright, so it does look good. We just need to fix this to be over here. Isn't that bad? Alright, so this we just need to do, I think, absolute, but we want left, right? I guess we do it like this. So we do need that to be like that. We could, so I think we can make this smaller here. So I want this to be sort of like the same width. I think it's 85%. 85.5? Yeah. I think that'll do. And then the height, I think, yeah, like that. Not just an EV. Alright, so we'll do it like that, and then this is like this. Let me see real quick. If we took one of these things out here. Alright, so this gotta be less, like that. I'm not sure what else we're gonna add on here, because I think what else, I might open Photoshop, but it might crash my stream, because I'm not exactly sure what my Photoshop can handle, or what Photoshop really has. Because we can do text size, like let me change this. Because we could do this like width like 20 pixels here. And we could add that to just the input, but I think we're just gonna change it to be everything, or not just the input class. So I think so like this, and then we're gonna change it. So let's see, text size input, then it's gonna be font style input, and then oh, they're all text size input. Okay, we're gonna have to change that. Never mind what rhymes are, that's the whole. Wait, can I do this? Because if I do this, I kind of want to... They all just need to be the same, like that. So let's update this and see what it looks like. It's alright, yeah, that's fine. This, so they do get all of it, but we're gonna change. Is it? Alright. So we need to add, I think I'm gonna change the font size by 1. No, it doesn't do anything there. Because this value is gonna be set at 50. What does 100 look like? Oh, so they do need to be bigger anyways. Alright, so it needs to look like that. Alright, so let me see here. This is gonna be set to 33. What's up, Beth? How you doing? We're gonna add a delete layer, and we're gonna add a new layer icon here. So like we have up here. This we need to add the value to it. So in our text tool, our value needs to be set to 50. And I like So we set it to 50, and then we could add, there's other ones that we need to add, like opacity, because you can have opacity to a text. So we might add different tabs, because there might be different pages. Because we could do the same thing here for opacity. Like I'm Mr. White. Because I didn't want to do alt input here for this because it might change. I think we should change this to maybe number. And then we need to do this. So for our JavaScript, we're going to change this to tools.js. How did we start this? Alright, like that. So when we do this, we're going to do wider Minecraft moment. Is it? What's a Minecraft moment? I don't know. We're gonna do this. So when we do click on it, where is the text tool? Here. So when we click on it, we're gonna run a function. We're gonna do load text tools. And we're gonna do this. So that way we can do this. Var text size equal. Oh no. Good question. I don't know. Let me just do this in a separate file here, because this is gonna be pretty much a lot of copy paste here with this one. Because text size input. So, because it's gonna be from here. We're gonna have 4, right? We're gonna have opacity. We're gonna have the word spacing. Maybe we could put this in an array so that we don't have to do this for each one. Alright, so that is that. And then we gotta just do basically for each one. So we do text size dot on input. And then we just say text size put dot inner HTML equals this value. So we're gonna do this for all 4 of them. There might be a better way to do this, but right now, I don't care. There's always a better way to do something, isn't there? Alright, so one last thing we need to do for this is add it to our image scene here down below. So we added tools.js. So when I update it now, hopefully it works somewhat. So we take this, we click on this. On input, cannot set properly on input of null. I thought I changed the size of these things. I thought I changed the size of it. Oh, it's because they're number. So because they're numbers, I can fix that. Let me just put that there and fix it to text. So let me try this. New balance. Alright, so like this. It says cannot set properly of null of input. Text size element. Maybe I got this backwards. Let me see. Our slider is text size, right? And then what? Hold on. So I don't need this right now. Our text size on input get element ID by text size, which is here. But it's saying no. Why? Is it cause, hold on. Well, no, it runs the function, so it knows, what is it saying exactly? Cannot set property on input of null. So text size does not even exist, it's saying. Did I do get element by ID correctly? Document get element by ID. That's correct. What does this say here? Yeah, document get slider on input. So text size on input equals function what does that mean? Maybe let me try that. Maybe it's different because of the see, it doesn't work here. Wait, what? Oh, I never saved it. There's text size on input. Maybe I don't do this. Let me try that. Because then that might work, maybe? No, it says on input of null, cannot set property. Oh, wait, I think I know. Let me try this. What? Text size on cannot set property of input on input. What? Text size alright, I think I did need to put wait. Let me try this. Because I understand why it thinks that they're not loaded, but maybe cause no. Let me see. Apparently Chrome and Safari are wrong, so you gotta do on change. So you gotta do this instead. You got to do, so I don't need this. Oh, I do need this because I think I need to do this instead here. So I'm pretty based on what this is saying, I can do this dot on input change dot then I can say this text size input dot attribute value equals this dot value. I think that might work. We'll see. Mega Eon. No. On input text size attribute value. Let me just try maybe this. Oh wait. Let me just do this and then let me try this. So if I do this, and I say this is 25. Alright. Maybe I gotta change it to this. So if I try this, and I move this to here, and I run this, what? And just change it to like that, and move it to this. What? Attribute value. What is this? It's at 50. How do you get the value? It says 50. Maybe I just do dot value. So this returns 50, but text size, it's saying that, is there more than one text size on here? No. But when I move it, so instead of this, maybe we do this. So this should be set to 50, like this. So if we set it to 50, text size input, which is right here. Why does it not set it to 50? The document get element ID. Alright, so we do this. Let me just do this. Var text size equals this. And then we can just say text size equals 50. And then this we could do here. Hey. Can I read property of value? Text size input. Really? Can I read text size input right here? Text is... What? Maybe, let me try this. Let's set it to 2 seconds. So that way it can get it. Because if it doesn't understand where it is, then that is concerning. So it does run, but Almanac, I got Pokemon Diamonds, Ruby and Sapphire, Saturn shining. Almanac, I got Pokemon Diamonds. We need to do this. Pokemon Diamonds, they do that, the cosine and bring it on my neck. So that should be like that. Let me try that. Hold on. On my wrist I got Pokemon Diamonds, Ruby and Sapphires, doing shining. On my wrist I got Pokemon Diamonds. Alright, let's try this again. Oh. So that works, but it doesn't, I think we could switch this back to 50. And this we could do again here. So we pretty much have to just copy this. And then, we're gonna have 4 here. Because we're gonna have this. Yeah, that's the next one. And then font style. Oreo, like Oreo. And then we need to change this to be this. And then the next one's gonna be word spacing. And then word spacing input. The last one's gonna be opacity. So let me try that now. On my wrist I got Pokemon diamonds. This. Pika Pika. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so I think we could change the 2 seconds to like this. Because that 2 seconds does seem to be very noticeable. What's up, Fury123? How you doing? Alright. So that does change. Let me see let me see, hold on. This is this. So when we change it, I think we want this to be a bigger font size here. So when we change this, our font size, we're gonna automatically set our font size to 12. I forgot, this is not gonna be like this. This is gonna be an option thing. So font style is gonna change. Because this is gonna be a drop down thing. We're gonna do what, this? So we're just gonna do that, and then word spacing is there. Opacity is gonna be set to 100, but alright, so I want to check something here. So if I do this, because we can dynamically change everything. So we click on this. This text area, we can change, I think, font size, and then I think we change 20 pixels. Yeah, we could change the font size. And then what does 100 pixels look like? 100 pixels looks a bit too much. Let me see 72 pixels. Let me see. We could, so it can be changed like that, but I don't want an overlap here. See, like that. Hold on. We could do up to 500, but I don't know if I want that to be like that though. What would 200 be? See what 200 would look like. It's the width. So the issue is the width. So I think we could, hold on, width, auto. No. It would be auto, but what? There's nothing here, so why would the width be? Let me see. Text area width auto. Let's see what the text area. So we could do. I'm trying to think. So the text area is here, but it goes all the way over here. We need to change it so the width is automatic. But if we change the font size to 10 pixels, like look at that. It'd be auto, but if I do 200 pixels, see 200 pixels, the width auto is like that. Like look at that. I mean, it doesn't matter, I think. So what is this? This is text tool. A text tool text. Doesn't exist. That's good. I'm gonna do this. Text tool text. I'm gonna do that. Because I don't think for our text tool. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. Don't think it matters with that. Font size is not going to be this. But even if the font size was like 20 pixels, I wanted to auto change and if it goes to 100 pixels, it's like that. But if it's I guess greater than 100 pixels, we're gonna have to change the width. Because like you could do this all the way over here. So at what point does it look bad? The thing is though, the width isn't auto. I don't know why, but this was recommended to me, a clip of Halo saying the N-word. I don't know who that is. You mean PewDiePie? You meant PewDiePie, that makes more sense. Do 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 do. Thing is though, the text area, the it doesn't work. Let me see, auto width resize. This is a demo. Let me see here. Oh, there's a men with. Alright, let me try this. What? Oh. There's that. Well, that doesn't work, sort of. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Hello Quakes, how you doing? How you doing? So we could do this simple here. So we do, I guess, like this. So we are going to have this here. On input. So we're gonna do this here. Instead of height though, is it height? Let me check. We're gonna do width as well. Cool beans. Hey, that's cool. So we're gonna do auto grow, and then when it's gonna be for here. So when we add the text box, we're gonna have. I got some school stuff, but I will come back soon, hopefully. Hey, that's all good. Appreciate you stopping by. Bye, see ya. Thank you. Get element. Wait, no, we need a text, tool text here. And then we're gonna do text box. I think, is it on input, or could we just, it's gonna be like this. So, oh, we could just do it like this. We didn't need this. And then we're gonna do auto grow this. So I think that shall work. And then for our CSS for it, we need to add no, we do want the resize. Let's make it like this, and then see how it goes. The goons. Alright, so it's like that, but if I do... What did I do wrong here? Width? How do I want to change the width as well? How come it does? Like what? Maybe I don't want to do the height. Let me just try this. Alright, so, well, we do want to do this so we can sort of understand what we're doing here. Because on this tool, we're going to be changing this. So we're going to do this dot attribute and then, or no, CSS, and then we're going to do font size, and then we're going to do new text size like that. So that way it changes. So like, look, when we do this, we can change it like dynamically like that. I'm just gonna get rid of this thing down here. I just change it to auto for both, and then maybe we could change the width to auto when you resize it also, so like it'll resize with it. Because look, if I do this and I do test and I resize it, if I do, hold on, let me try running a script real quick. So if I do this, and it's the text tool text, and I do CSS. So if I do that, but let me see, CSS should be size. There's got to be a way to do this. I think we could do opacity. Yeah, opacity works. We're gonna change all that too, though. But we wanted to. How does this work here? on input replicated value of this dot value. What? Data replicate attribute content grow after what? I didn't know you could do all this with so you could do this. I could do grow wrap, and I could do this. So I could do text tool text after. Yeah, we're gonna keep that auto. Content attribute. Like that. And then we could do white space pre. And then we do, oh, that's for the grow wrap. Hold on. But I don't get, hold on, that's sort of not what I need though. That's not what I need. It's cool though, just not what I need. Overflow hidden. Let me try that. So if I do this, what? That didn't work. White space to pre-wrap? What's up, quart, I don't know, edits? How you doing? Nope, that didn't do anything. Change to min height so it's so this one's with height, auto resize height, but I'm looking for width. Overflow hidden or auto. Cause like look at all this. So the issue I'm having is look at all this. There's so much here. But is it, what is it? Like, there's so much there. Why? I need the, like, the width doesn't change with it. Let me see if I can do that. If I could scale the width with the font size, then that's good. We'll check these. Let me see. Font size, scroll height, drift blue. Let me see here. That scales the height. But I want the width to be fixed as well. Let me just try this. So in the code, they have it so it does this, where we set the attribute of the height to the scroll height, which is o.scroll height, which is font size value, which is, what is this doing here? There's so many unnecessary variables. This dot value. So we have value of here, text size. And they do o.scroll height. So I want to do they do attribute, but you could just do CSS. And you could do I want to do, is it O is input text. So we're going to do this doesn't make sense. O dot font size dot pixel O dot input text. So it's gonna be this, which we're just gonna say like this. And we're gonna do this dot scroll width. Let me try that. Oh no. I thought I accidentally closed the stream. Let me try that. Ooh. Okay. So I do like that. Sort of. But if I do this. You can't get rid of me. This does, oh, that's why. Let me try that again. So if I do, hi, my name is Austin, and I do increase it. What? On a CSS, the width. I guess the. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. You spit fire like look like Sunland did. Hello. Hello. like the issue that I have, so this doesn't matter here, but the issue that I have here now is all, not this. It's literally this. Because like, look at all this. This height could easily be right here. So that's the issue that I'm having. You're not just an Eevee. Maybe I could do something like this. Hold on. You're not just an Eevee. Why is this not working? Did it on the wrong page. Alright, so look, if I do this, the width right now is this, but this is the thing. What's up, Xerox Holmes? How you doing? We're trying to fix this, where you have this word here, but you have all this white space here, or just the width. And I don't know how to fix it, because with this tool, you resize. Let me update it, because it is not updated with the new code. Because like, look, if I do this and I do, oh, hold on, click the wrong button. So I click text tool, I hit this, I say hello. Right now it looks fine. On stream it might be small, but it looks fine on here. When I resize it, this is where we come into issues. Is this. I think, let me check something here. If the width of this, what is the width of this? The width is auto. Let me take auto off, maybe? Because I want this to also be here. What? Why is there a text thing here? Maybe I could just do this. So what is this? Height is, so width is 300. So let me just change it to that. So text size will not be 12, or it'll be 15. No, we'll do 16 because 16 is more optimal, I think. So we're going to change it to 16 here. This value is going to be 16. When we resize it, we're going to do if new text size is greater than, I guess, what we're going to do. I'm going to say if it's greater than 60, we're going to do this. And we're going to change this to be set to height and width. So we're going to set it to height of 150 and then a width of 300. So like that. And then I think, well, let me check something because I think it might mess things up. Alright, so like if I click on here, click here, I say hello, I increase it, but if I resize it and I put other words in here, hello, my name is Austin, I resize it like this, well, yeah, like that, and then I could easily just resize it. I don't know how. I mean, I don't know how other things do it. We're gonna add a bold, like down here, bolding, italicize. So that's gonna be there. And then we need to do this. So load text tools. We need to load in the fonts. So var fonts equals an array, and we're gonna create options for this select drop down. Where is it? Here, we don't have it. Those font style. So let me see. I'm gonna do shape. The default is gonna be we could do append option. So we could do this. We're gonna do it. This could be quite slow if you're adding a lot of options compared to just. Yeah, we can just do this. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do value equals Arial. And we're gonna do this. So font style. And here we're gonna have for var x equals 0, x less than fonts dot length, x plus plus, and then we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do dot append, then we're gonna do this. We could do it like this. It doesn't really matter because the value is gonna be like this. So we're gonna do fonts, and then in here it's gonna be fonts. And then we're gonna change to fonts. So let me just do get list of fonts. Let me see if there's an array of fonts. Do, 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 do. What? What? I just need an array of fonts, not all this. What language? This is using JavaScript. This is JavaScript for a Chrome extension. Could use Angular, but I'm not using Angular for this one. I'm gonna be doing an Angular project. I don't know when, but I plan to doing an Angular project soon. I guess we could just put basic fonts in here now. So, let me just open up, hold on. List of fonts. Let me just do a list of fonts and then, I want to alphabetize it though, so we're gonna do, oh, it's Arial. It's got an A in it. There we go. Oh, I already had that. Impact. We'll probably just move all this to a different, oh yeah, there is a whole thing for fonts here. So let me just make a JSON file here. Let me do this. Fonts.json. So that way we could do this. And then we could just go all the way down pretty much for it. So we're gonna have this, but we're gonna have to do this. Yeah, we need to add that. And we need to add the comma. Alright, now we gotta add the commas. So this would be good, so that way... Because I want to add all these fonts here because this is actually going to be published. Because this one's going to actually be published, this Chrome extension. What else we have to add though? In my Pokédex. Oop, didn't want to do that. And that should be. There's more fonts. Yeah, there's more fonts. Right? Yeah, there's more fonts. Oops. Why is this? I don't know. There's the Allegro one not on here? Guess not. Do. Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Bow, bow. I don't know if these fonts will even work for some of them. And then we add the commas. Oop. Deleted one by accident. Bow, bow. We're almost done with this. Alright, so we have to add these. Alright, I think that's all of them. Let me double check. Alright, and then I believe we do it like that. Let me double check something. Oh wait, I need to fix the green. So it's like this, and then I believe all we gotta do is add it to here, and we should be good. So we should be good to access it in here, but we're not gonna do this. We're gonna do like this. But I do want to do a thing here. So how do you do? Hold on, I gotta respond to an email. Let me see some. My wrist is so stupid, they call it Felicify. Felicify, Felicify. Felicify, Felicify. Hold on, I'm just checking some stuff. Hold on. Dude, it's the dude they call it Felicify. Alright, we're back. Wait, let me just double check I didn't get an email response. Alright. So there's an array sort thing, so we could do just sort. And then I believe we could just do this. So I don't even think here we need this. We're gonna do this though. If fonts are not equal else And then we're gonna do what? Selected. Like that. So let me try this. For Listify. At least call it for Listify. Out in the street. Call it for Listify. So they do all load here. And they are all sorted. But selected doesn't work. Does it? Is it selected? Or is it what is it? Is it selected or is it I mean, I could also just do this where it is selected. There's a chick and she's still slurping. I just pressed the nut and she's still slurping. Just pressed the nut and she's still slurping. But and she's still slurping. To the window. To the window. It specifies stand option. The selected attribute can be set after the page loads with a JavaScript. Okay, well. So this doesn't matter actually. Slurping on my nuts. She's slurping on my nuts. I just let it bust. Did it here. Then she cannot hear. Put it in her ear. Disappear. To the window. Oh, this works. Alright, this will work here. Put in chick and she's still slurping. I just took a shit and she's still slurping. Is it this? Window. Oh, we could just do this. So we could just do this. So we're gonna do bar my font. And this is gonna be this. Do go. Slurp it up. Go. Slurp it up. Go. Slurp it up. Go. Alright. This man think he funny? You're not funny, dude. You are not funny. Selected what? Slurp it up, go. Slurp it up, go. How do I... So to specify the currently select option. Children option. How are they gonna, how do I know the value? Oh, here. So if I do this, oh country, selected index. We have A, so pronounce A. So it'll be like this. Alright, that should work. So let's try that. Then we're going to change the font thing so it works then. So look, when we do that, it did not work. So default selected. What? Maybe I just do this selected. That should work now. Alright. Swagger TM87. Yeah, I got Swagger TM87. If you want. What's up? What's up, Maddox the Goat? How you doing? I'm trying to do this thing. The default selected. Why does it say? TM87. I got Swagger TM87. Selected index. But they're all not selected on here. This isn't even a good answer. Hold on. It's almost been 2 hours. Wow. Feel like I've not been streaming long. Wario. Oh, we could just do it like this. We need to fix this. We want it to be Arial, because that's what we're gonna start with. So yeah. Same type attack buff, y'all. I'm just gonna hold on. Can I read property value of null? Ooh, Ash has a birthday, y'all. What? Can I read property value of null? I don't know. Wait. Am I a hacker? No. I'm not a hacker. I know some tools, but for like some things, but not hacking. It would be cool though. Would be cool if I was a hacker. I could probably learn. Like, I feel like it wouldn't be that hard to learn. But, yeah. Hold on. Okay. Let me see something. So, why did this not work here? Let me try redoing this. Hold on. So I take the screenshot. I go here. It doesn't change it. Can you help me with something in Discord if you know about it? Do you have my Discord? You can message me. If not, just message me on Twitter. But I'm not gonna be checking Discord right now. No, I will look at Discord if you message me. But yeah. So let me just see, why is this not working? This should be set to true. Let me check why. What language is it? Like, I know other languages. Do you know something about Dank Memer bot? I don't. I don't know anything about that. Why does this not work? Is Ariel even on here? It isn't. That's probably why. Hello, Stephanie Hernandez. How you doing? What? This still didn't do it, but it should have been on there. Did I save the... Oh, I didn't save the file. That's probably why. Pokemon, come to die. Alright. So when we switch to that, yeah, that's fine. So there's all these fonts here. So what we need to do now is when we change the font, it changes the font of this. So we want this to change the font. So that's pretty easy to do because we literally have it up here. So on this here, I think we could do this like this. So on I think How do you do it? Is the jQuery on select change? Y'all haven't seen my last video? You should check it out. The want to hear a joke video is funny. It's funny. It's on change, so it's just on change here. So on change, we're gonna change the font style of the text box. So it's text, tool text, dot CSS, and we're gonna do fonts, what was it, font family. Then we're gonna do, was it this dot value? I think. And then, yeah. So I think that's gonna be, we're probably gonna change this to text tools here. So we gotta change that here. What's up, Angeline Hernandez? How you doing? I just saw that. So my bad for missing it. We've closed this, we've closed that. I think we could update this now. Hey, Omar on the come up. Alright, so if I do this, hello, let's increase the size so we can all see it. And then let's change the does it not change it? Okay, so there's certain ones that it doesn't work with. So let me take note of which ones don't work. So these, let me just search up common used fonts or common font names. But it does work. We just need to change, not this. I gotta check my email again. So we gotta change this because a lot of these don't work. So let me just change this here. So I'm gonna do, here we go, times New Roman, Helvetica, Courier, Coma, Wednesday like Mewtwo, fucking Paco. Verdana. Comic Sans. Armand. We're just adding fonts here so we could change, see the change in it. You're very ass up, Tapofini. What happened? How's everyone doing today? These are Adobe fonts. We can't use these. Not the Adobe fonts. There's a standard font list. There's Arial Bold.